I'm Allie, and I'm part of the Carolina marketing team. I'm here to talk to you today about our women's logger collection. Built for function, not fashion, brought to you by Carolina. These boots are all built with an oil-resisting rubber lug outsole that keeps your feet planted where you put them. We know you need options, so you have the choice of a safety or non-safety toe. These styles have a tough steel shank for extra stability and support. These boots are built with a Goodyear welt construction. The women's black elm is offered with a 100% waterproof scuba liner membrane to make sure your feet stay dry through the workday. These styles also meet the ASTM standards for electrical hazard and impact compression. Our women's loggers are as strong, rugged, and dependable as you are. That's the Carolina way, built for her work.